Okay, the new brush library is an advantage and a disadvantage both at the same time. I have created brushes that I didn't give names to because I was working on them or something happened and I never gave them names. So what we're going to do is move this entire thing down until I can see search. I'm going to type in the word untitled. And I can tap search. That'll put the keyboard down. Now here's one. I'm going to tap on this first one here. It's in my two-color library. It's called Untitled Brush. And I can't remember if I have this or not, but what I'm going to do is do a long press, hit rename. Let's call it branch test. And we will apply that. If I want to actually test it out, I can start up a new picture or use this one just to add a layer and turn all the rest of them off. It's actually a pretty neat little brush. Okay. And then we're going to do search. We've got this brush. It's in the two-color set. Doesn't look like it has two colors. No, it's just the one. If it had two colors, then you would have a top brush and a bottom brush. So let's go ahead and cancel that. I'm just going to delete this one. And we'll drag down again. And it looks like Classic Library has lots of them that say Untitled. I'm going to start here. That's a hair and fur brush. That does not look... Well, I suppose it could be a loopy hair. Let's call it loopy hair. So we'll tap on the brush, long tap, rename. I did put in a question with the PROcreate developers about this. And according to them, when you create a brush, you can no longer name it there. And that's because as you create it, it's going to be created in the locations your brush library is. The iPad or the iCloud, wherever you told it to keep those. So what happens is you start the brush, it creates the file, and then it adds to it as you put things in, but it can't change the name until after you create it. Then you come in, or you go out of the brush and you come in and do a rename. It's a yarn brush. This one. Okay, so that's how that one would be used. We're going to call this one fuzzy. And I'm still in the habit of going into a brush to name it, which doesn't do us any good. What's this? It's kind of a short hair brush. Yeah. And I'm just going to continue through this until I've got all the brushes that say Untitled named to something else. Another good thing about this library is whenever you do this search up here at the top, let's say you had one called, watercolor. I tap on water and it shows you every brush that has water on it. So you can find the one you're looking for. That's great. All right, so I hope this helps you out. I do hope you have a wonderful day.